Welcome. If your phone keeps buzzing every time Snapchat sends a notification, you're definitely not alone. That constant vibration can get distracting fast, especially when you're busy or just trying to enjoy a quiet moment. The good news is you can easily turn off vibrate notifications on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. Let's walk through exactly how to do it. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your personal settings are located. Next, find the settings icon. It's the small gear symbol in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that to access Snapchat's settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the notifications option. Tap on it to open up all the notification controls available for your account. Inside the notification section, keep scrolling until you find the Vibrate option. Once you see it, simply uncheck or toggle